Lulu's emotion paints and laughter seed vending machine. In a small fairy tale village lived a cute and curious little puppy, Lulu. Even while playing joyfully, when a sudden wave of sadness crashed over Lulu, she would shed tears profusely. Just then, a shimmering, mysterious vending machine appeared before Lulu's eyes. Gathering her courage, Lulu dropped a single tear. Plink!
What is this? So sparkly and strange.
Lulu carefully cradled the laughter seed and hurried home. An astonishing thing happened. Sprouts emerged from the seed, and soon colorful memory flowers bloomed.
Yes, I should paint with these paints and make these beautiful flowers even more exciting.
These were the sound-making emotion paints. As Lulu thought of happiness and dipped her brush in the yellow paint, a beautiful bell-like sound rang out. Twinkle, twinkle.
Happy, sad, ticklish, wistful.
What picture should I draw with these paints? Lulu pondered for a moment.
The first color has to be happy yellow, of course.
I've decided. I'm going to capture all the emotions within me in one painting. But Lulu suddenly remembered other feelings of sadness and even a strange sense of wistfulness.
Lulu, it's okay. This isn't a failed painting. It's just a special pattern created by all the emotions in your heart coming together.
That's right. This was a beautiful pattern where all my emotions came together.
Wow, my own special painting is finished. Yes, all these emotions are me.
The painting was colorful, but strangely, Lulu felt good.
It's done! The most special painting gathered from all the emotions inside me. We will laugh together, cry together, and even pout sometimes. But we will always be the best friends who understand and support each other.
Now, Lulu decided to paint this all emotions picture together with her friends.
Don't forget to look forward to the next story. See you next time.